Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Freespoke app is and how it's positioned. Freespoke is a search and discovery platform designed to help users explore information across the web using a search engine that aims to organize results from multiple sources. According to the official Freespoke website and App Store descriptions, the platform allows users to search the internet for news, images, and general web content through its search interface. The official description also explains that Freespoke presents results from a range of sources and provides tools intended to help users explore different perspectives on topics. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Information from Freespoke's official resources indicates that the platform includes a news discovery feature that organizes articles and headlines related to current topics. The platform may also include filters or categories that allow users to narrow search results based on different types of content or viewpoints. According to the official description, Freespoke also offers tools designed to help users explore trending topics and discover articles from multiple publishers. The platform is designed to function as a search and discovery tool that combines web search results with curated content feeds. This app may be useful for users who want to search the web, browse news content, or explore different viewpoints on current topics. For people interested in alternative search engines or content discovery tools, this could be one possible option. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.